What's up, guys? Welcome back to Talbot Industries. Tonight we're going to be changing out the taillights on the truck from the factory chrome ones to the non-chrome ones that you'd find on the Sport Appearance truck. So these taillights come on Laramies and above that are optioned with the Sport Appearance package versus the normal Laramie taillights which has the chrome ring around it. Not a big fan of the chrome, and I got these Mopar takeoffs over the weekend, and we're going to get those put on. We'll just go over how to change out your taillight. So on the side here, there's two T25 bolts, top and bottom. You'll unscrew those. This corner of the taillight will kind of swing out, and then you're going to want to pull straight out on the taillight and it'll pop off. So this plug is your main plug, and the way that these come off is you have these red tabs, and you can either push from this side and slide it over, or try to get your fingernail under that tab and slide it over, and then depress this back part and pull off. They do get kind of stuck sometimes, especially if there's a little bit of dirt in there and such, but just like that, you're gonna pull off. And right here you can see these are where the side part of the light, right there and right there, slide in. So what you have to do next is that these lights did not come with this harness. You gotta undo this tab here and this little connector, and I found the easiest thing to do is just put a little slit in that, and that way it'll still hold it back in place if you ever have to reuse it, and it's better than breaking it off at the base. You'll unplug that. You'll unplug this main 4-pin connector there, and then I have LED backup lights, so normally this would be plugged in right into the bulb, but these just pull right like that. And I'll put the link to these taillights in the description as well. So what I've noticed is that Chrysler didn't learn from back in the day of the first gen that the taillights rub on the bed and create a rust spot. As you can see there, the taillight is starting to rub through. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap electrical tape around this outside edge of the light all the way around. It's just cheap insurance to give it an extra layer of vibration wear resistance, so hopefully it'll not wear through the paint and cause a rust issue further down the line. So I got this edge all taped up, and then I also went around the perimeter here with tape, and you don't necessarily need to get exactly on the edge of the light, as long as it's not outside the light so you don't see it from when the light is on. It still gives it a high spot to rest against, so hopefully it'll wear and rest against the tape and not your body. We're also going to go ahead and put some dielectric grease on all the electrical connectors and the gaskets for the connectors so that everything stays clean and will come apart in the future if need be. So everything's back together. The tab that would hold this connector on this light is broken off, so there's really no way that I'm going to be able to secure this connector, but I don't feel that's a big deal. But we got everything covered in dielectric grease, so when you go to put the light back on, these tabs will snap in to the little prongs that are sticking out of the bedside. You'll push that in, snap it in place, and then you'll push the whole light assembly towards the tailgate and put those 2 Torx screws back in place. And just like that, back of the truck looks much better without the chrome. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.